morning, children. Today we should take the lesson plants around us. And in previous class we have already discussed about plants, means parts of plants and root system. So in this class we should discuss about some special types of roots. So here, water storing roots. So means there are roots that water making it easier to plants to grow. So some roots are there. So those roots are very helpful for growing plant. Means those roots have stored the water in those roots. So that's why we call water storing roots. Means the roots are store the water. Okay, so that's why we call water storing roots. So here in water storing roots, pumpkin and gourd. So these plants have water storing roots. So these plants roots are mainly the roots storing the water, because water is necessary for any plant. So that's why the pumpkin and also gourd. So these plants have water storing roots. Okay. So because plants to grow along in dry summer days. So some plants are not sufficient water. Okay. So that's why these type of plants have stored more water in the roots, because in summer days they don't have sufficient water. So that's why these roots store more water. So after the storing water, they use in summer days. Okay, the water storing roots have stored more water, and that water should be used in summer days. Okay. Next, we should take propagating roots. Okay, such roots have buds close to the surface of the ground. Okay, all of you know. So some such roots have buds and also close to the surface of the ground. So that's why these buds can grow into new independent plants. Okay, so new independent plants, and also as in the case of cherry and also the strawberry. Okay, these kind of roots we should call propagating roots. Means such roots have buds and also they close to the surface of the ground. Means the upper side of the upper part of the ground. Okay, so that's why these buds can grow into new independent plants. Okay, so in this case, so we should call the cherry and strawberry. So these plants have the propagating roots. Next, aerial roots. So you may have seen so many trees and plants, and also monkeys are swinging. Some trees you should see the monkeys are swinging in that tree, or sorry, on that tree, because those monkeys are using aerial roots of a banyan tree, and also the monkeys are swinging up onto the strong roots, because the roots were very strong. So that's why those monkeys swinging to using the banyan tree's roots. Okay, and also those roots absorb the moisture. Okay, so that's why those roots are downward to the earth. Means the tree is growing, and when the banyan tree is growing, and those the tree's branches, okay, leave the roots, okay, downward to the earth, and such roots are there. So roots, these aerial roots have banyan tree and ficus and peepal. So these trees or plants have aerial roots. Okay. Next, so shoot system means I have already told in previous class. The shoot system includes all those parts of the plant that grow above the ground. The roots are inside of the ground, and outside of the ground means earth. The plants will be growing up. In plants will be growing up, so many parts are there. The stem is there, and leaves, flowers, okay, fruits, okay. So these are all shoot system, okay, and also stem, leaves, flower from the shoot system of a plant. All these parts carry out different functions and also help the plant different ways. So those parts should be helpful for plant in different ways. They have their own ways and help to the plant. Next, the stem. What is the help of stem to the plant? Stems perform many important functions, and also for a plant they help to transport water. Okay, the stem is help to the plant for transporting water, all the parts of the plant. Okay. And also they keep plants erect and bear leaves. Okay, and also flowers, fruits are growing. The help of the stem. Stems of some plants such as potato and colocasia and sugarcane and onion. So these kind of plants have stored food in stem. Okay, so that's why we call cacti stem. Cacti stem, potato, sugarcane and colocasia. So these type of plants have cacti stem. Okay. Next, leaves. Leaves are very useful and helpful for any plant because we call leaves a kitchen of plant. Okay. Leaves are of different shapes and size and also color, and leaves use carbon dioxide. Okay, leaves are use carbon dioxide and water to make food for the plant in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. Okay, the leaves are using carbon dioxide and also water to make food for the plant, and also in the presence of the chlorophyll and the sunlight. By using chlorophyll and also the sunlight. Sunlight is also very necessary for food preparing to the plant. Okay, and this process is called photosynthesis. We call photosynthesis, and we eat the leaves of many plants. All of you know. So we eat so many plants leaves. For example, spinach, lettuce, and cabbage, and also tulsi leaf. So these are all very helpful for us, and also we should use. And green leafy vegetables are very helpful to our health, and also we should use more green leaves in our daily food system. And we also use leaves of some plants such as neem and also eucalyptus for medical purposes also. So these all green leaves are also very helpful for us, and also those leaves have medicine quality. So that's why we should use for green leaves also. Okay, dear children, in this class we have discussed some special types of roots. So those are water storing roots, okay, and also propagating roots and aerial roots. and also shoot system of plant. At the same time, we should discuss what is the use of stem and also leaves. Okay, next class we should discuss about next uses of flower. Okay, thank you.